Homemade chocolate fantasy cake with almond walnut, recipe with healthy. Hey my dear cake lovers, welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel, the place where we bring you delightful recipes that will satisfy your sweet tooth. Today, we have a special treat in store for you, a homemade chocolate fantasy cake with almond walnut. It's rich, moist, and incredibly indulgent. So, let's dive into the world of chocolate and nuts. Before we get started, let's gather all the ingredients you'll need for this heavenly cake. 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour. 1 1/2 cups granulated sugar. 3/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. 1 1/2 teaspoons baking powder. 1 1/2 teaspoons baking soda. 1 teaspoon salt. 2 large eggs. 1 cup buttermilk. 1/2 cup vegetable oil. 2 teaspoons pure vanilla extract. 1 cup boiling water. For the almond walnut filling, 1 cup chopped almonds. 1 cup chopped walnuts. 1/2 cup sweetened condensed milk. For the chocolate ganache, 1 cup heavy cream. 8 ounces semi-sweet chocolate, chopped. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract. Preparation. Now that we have our ingredients, let's start preparing this delicious chocolate fantasy cake with almond walnut. Step 1. Prepare the cake batter. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease and flour 2 9-inch round cake pans. In a large mixing bowl, sift together the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Mix until well combined. Add in the eggs, buttermilk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. Now, carefully add the boiling water while continuing to mix. The batter will be thin, but that's perfectly fine. This hot water helps create a moist and tender cake. Step 2. Bake the cake layers. Pour the cake batter evenly into the prepared cake pans. Then, bake them in the preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Step 3. Prepare the almond walnut filling. While the cakes are cooling, let's prepare the almond walnut filling. In a mixing bowl, combine the chopped almonds, chopped walnuts, and sweetened condensed milk. Mix them together until the filling is well blended. Step 4. Assemble the cake. Now, it's time to assemble our cake. Place one of the cooled cake layers on a serving plate. Spread a generous amount of the almond walnut filling on top. Carefully place the second cake layer on top and press gently to secure it. Step 5. Make the chocolate ganache. To make the chocolate ganache, heat the heavy cream in a saucepan over medium heat until it starts to simmer. Remove it from the heat and pour it over the chopped semi-sweet chocolate and butter in a heat-proof bowl. Finally, add the vanilla extract and mix well. Step 6. Frost the cake. Pour the smooth and glossy chocolate ganache over the assembled cake, allowing it to flow down the sides for that stunning finish. Step 7. Decorate. Feel free to get creative with the decoration. You can sprinkle some extra chopped almonds and walnuts on top or add some chocolate shavings for extra pizzazz. And there you have it, our homemade chocolate fantasy cake with almond walnut is ready to delight your taste buds. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more amazing recipes. Remember to share your creations with us on social media using #ChocolateFantasyCake. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time with another scrumptious recipe. Thank you very much.